Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty by Ada here, and in today's video, you guys, I am so excited. Like, I can't believe that this day would come, but it is here and we are here to talk about this day. So if you haven't subscribed, first of all, I know you're looking at me right there. You're looking at me. Yeah, I can see you looking at me and I'm looking at you. So subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload whenever I upload any new videos. Okay, so guys, let's just get into this video. I'm really excited. Like, I did not even know how to act when I got this thing. I didn't even know how to act, and right now I still do not know how to act. Okay, so guys, I did not even know how to act when I got this thing. Like, I am going all crazy. So let's just get into the gist. I don't want this video to be too long, let me stop talking too much and get to the gist. Okay, we all would definitely get there. That is one thing I'm throwing out there right now, because when I started from 0 subscribers, I did not have any subscribers at all. Zero, like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That was what I started with, and definitely I am here now. So if you're a small YouTuber, I am here to support you. Just leave a comment in the comment section what you do and what your channel is all about, and I'll definitely check out your channel and subscribe to your channel, and I will leave a comment so you know that I came to your channel. Okay, we are all going to grow, sister. We are all going to grow. Okay, so just if you are a small YouTuber, you're looking to grow like me, because I'm still growing, so just leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what your channel is all about, and also tell me what you think about the video, and I will definitely visit your channel, subscribe, and support you the way I can. And if there's anything you want, any tip you guys want me to tell you, just leave it in the comment section. Okay, and I'll answer your questions. I'm here to spill the tea. My first YouTube paycheck, like you guys. I don't know how to act, but I'm going to act right now. So I started my channel when, that's a long story. I don't want to do any long story right now. So after I started from 0 subscribers and I started growing, begging people to subscribe to my channel, which is the normal thing. And like, you guys know, let me start from this. You guys know, like, the criteria now for you to be a AdSense Google partner is that you have to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Man, that 4,000 watch hour is like the most difficult thing to do. You go on YouTube, start a YouTube channel, and you're going to be making some money. You're going to make, no, sister, no. Did you hear me? No, it doesn't come that way. YouTube money does not come that way. First of all, if you're starting up, you need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, right? And if you get that, then you have to definitely, before YouTube starts paying you, before Google starts paying you, or YouTube starts paying you, whichever one, you have to get to a threshold of $100. If you haven't gotten to $100, sister, you are not going to get paid. You're not going to get paid. Okay, so even if you made $99.99, you're still not going to get paid until you get the threshold of $100. That is when you can get paid, right? So even if you get like a $24, you're still not going to get paid. They're not going to pay you the $24. You have to wait until you get to the threshold of $100 before they can pay you. Okay, so we're all going to grow. I'll also be giving you guys some tips on how I did mine, on how I grew, how I try to get my 4,000 watch hours and everything. I'll just give you guys a little tip. I am not an expert, okay? I'm a growing YouTuber just like you, and I am not an expert. So I'm just giving this my tip based on my own experience and what I did, okay? So that is what I'm going to be doing. First of all, like, when you're going for the watch hour, the subscribers, there are so many groups on YouTube that you can join. Join the YouTube groups, search for groups, not sub for sub, because honestly, sis, if you want that hours, you sub for sub, we will not get that for you. So do not do sub for sub. That doesn't work. okay? It will not work. So if you need to get on those groups where you have active members, look for people in your niche that are doing the same thing that you're doing, and then get them to subscribe to your channel, and then you can also support them as well. As long as you guys are doing the same thing, that's fine, okay? Look for channels that you're really interested in, that you really want to watch their contents, so that way it won't be difficult for you to support the person. You get to watch the person's videos and the person gets to watch yours. That way your watch hour goes up. Another thing, I'm not going to be doing much because I already did a video on how to get the 4,000 watch hours, how I got mine. I already did a detailed video on there. I'll be leaving the link in the description box down below, but I'm just adding more tips that maybe I think I forgot to add in that video. Then the second tip is to do lots of live video. That way, live video, I tell you guys, live video gives you so much hours. Hope I'm not saying too much, but then live video give you so much hours. We all need to, like, we will eat, like, we need to get this money. We all will get this money together, okay? That is what I'm trying to make sure, that we are all getting this money together. We are in this together, okay? So we are getting this money. Let me be giving you guys the tip. So you do more live videos. That way, many people, even people that aren't subscribed to your channel, they come into your live video. Make it a very interactive live video. That way you stay longer and you get more hours. You will be shocked at how many hours you will build doing a live video. I'm just telling you the truth as it is. This is what I did, and it was helpful because you get to build a community. You see, more in the live videos, you see people liking your personality and subscribing to your channel. This is what I did, and you know, you get to build a community, build a kind of a relationship with your future subscribers and your existing subscribers already. Okay, that is it. So I already told you how to get your subscribers and how to get your watch hours. That was basically what I do. And then most importantly, just try as much as possible to be consistent. Put out contents out there. Keep putting out contents. One day, sis, I tell you, one day it's going to happen. You're going to get there, definitely. Like, I did not believe I'll be here, but here I am, sis. Here I am. YouTuber, go down in the description down below and tell me what your channel is all about, and if it's a channel that I love what you do, I will definitely check you out, especially if you're beauty, makeup, hair, you know, and a little bit of lifestyle. I will definitely check your content out, okay? If I love your content, I'm definitely subscribing to your channel, and yeah, we are becoming friends. You're my friend, I'm your friend, okay? I don't care what you think. You're my friend, I'm your friend. After I got to 1,000 hours and 4,000 subscribers, because I already applied for my AdSense account. I already filled up everything. See, apply for everything early. Like, apply for everything before you get to your watch time. That way it's easier for YouTube to just monetize you. Like, it's easier for them to verify and clarify everything and monetize you immediately, okay? Because that was what I did. You don't wait until you get to 1,000 hours and 4,000 subscribers before you do that. So just do it before then, and that way it's easier. Because as I applied before I reached my target, and then as soon as I hit the target, the only thing they did was they sent me an email saying they will be checking, verifying and checking, you know what they do, like checking if you can be monetized. And then the next 2 days, I also did a video on that. The next 2 days, they sent me an email saying I've been accepted into the partnership program. So that is basically it. So do that before you get to your watch time and, you know, all the requirements. That way it's easier for them, because I've seen people saying they stayed for months and they haven't gotten theirs. So they are waiting for it to be approved. But because I did that, it was pretty easy for them to approve me just 2 days later, and that was it. I got approved. And then later on, they sent me this pin, and then after a while they send you a message telling you that you will be sent a pin, that you need to put in the pin for them to verify your address. And that was how they sent me this. And then I verified it, and you guys, okay, this is it. This is not the first payment, okay? This is not my payment. This is my pin. yet, but I promise you, once they pay me, I am definitely doing another video, and I am definitely telling you guys how much I made, because here guys, we do not hide nothing. I mean, I don't know why people always hide theirs, but I feel like it's nothing for us to hide, you know, there's nothing there. But then I am just happy because they sent me my pin and I verified my address, and you know, I'm going to be getting my money soon. So guys, this is it. I'm just happy I'm giving you guys the tips, and you know, I decided to just pop up here and give you guys the tips and give you guys the tea, and you know, tell you how it goes. For all those people that so many people are just so curious, when am I going to be monetized? How does it feel like? How does it look like? What do I do? What do they do? So this is it. So guys, this was how I got my pin, and then I verified everything, and definitely I will be getting my money very soon. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Oh god, I'm so happy. Like, I'm still so happy. I'm just so gassed right now, you know, gassed. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget, small YouTubers, I'm here for you. I am here to support. We are going to make this money together. We are making this money together, okay? So do check my channel out, subscribe, click on the notification bell, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give me your channel name and I will definitely support you. Leave your channel name and what your channel is all about, and I'll definitely be supporting you, girl. I'll definitely be supporting you, boy. I'll definitely be supporting you, okay? I'll be supporting you guys. So that's just basically it. I'll be supporting you. So leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me what your channel is all about. No stuff for stuff in the comment section, please. Just leave a comment. Tell me what your channel is all about, and I'll be supporting you. I'll be subscribing and clicking that notification bell as well. I'll support you the way that I can. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. And oh, if you like my makeup look, I'll be putting, just also leave it in the comment section down below. Tell me, and I'll definitely leave a video down below. I'll leave the tutorial down below. This is a natural glow glam because your girl gotta glow.